Hey everybody, this is Chase from MojoFilter Media. Today I want to talk about something pretty cool on this channel. As you may or may not know, MojoFilter Media is a game audio company. That is our specialty. And I was scrolling through Kickstarter and I found this game that has now been funded called Chrono Sword. It inspired me to create a game audio session in a program called Wwise, which I'll explain in a second, in a way that I could showcase on this channel, sort of show what we do in the game audio design world. So first, let's take a look at their website. So this is the website for Chrono Sword. It is chronosword.com. You can find this game. It is really cool. It looks like it's coming out end of next year, end of 2021. And I love it. It looks very, very cool. It is definitely the kind of thing that I would play. And it's got a whole lot of opportunity for some really cool sound design stuff. So as I mentioned, I work in Wwise, W-W-I-S-E. Wwise is a game audio middleware engine. It's the go-between for the creators of sound assets and the programmers in the game. This is my specialty. I take sound assets, whether it's something I've created myself or that Alex created, put it into Wwise in a way that I can define all of the complex functionality that a game needs for audio. I can define loops and triggers and events and spaces and reverb changes and spatialization, all in a way that makes the game sound amazing. And my delivery to the programmers of the game, just a bunch of events. It's super easy for the programmers to implement my super complex audio design work. Let's jump into Wwise and take a look. So this is the Wwise interface, and we're going to focus today not necessarily on how I've stacked together just some basic sounds for a project like this, but the Wwise Soundcaster. This is how I would demo to a client the ease of implementing my work. So if you have headphones or studio monitors, turn them on. This is the part where you're going to want to really be able to hear what's going on. Each of these boxes is an event that I would deliver to a programmer that they could implement with 1 or 2 lines of code, depending on what's going on. You can implement things like footsteps, attack foley, various character movements, things like the sounds of characters jumping, and that includes not just the clothing and footstep sounds, but vocalizations. You can trigger those separately or together. It's all based on the events that you want as a programmer. I have a couple of demo events in here that encapsulate either a highly packaged audio event or a couple of audio events that normally would be triggered separately, but for the sake of a demo, makes sense to put together here. So let's run through it. First, I'm going to start our ambience. Let's start outside in the rainstorm. We're going to walk through the rain. I'm going to mute my microphone so you don't hear me clicking. We're going to walk through the rain. We're going to jump on some things, jump up and down. We'll move into the cave, and we'll go from there. From here, we're going to pick up a sword from the magical fire pit type thing, again, inspired by Chrono Sword. And we'll run a little more. Jump. Let's enter the cave. Notice the ambience has completely changed, and when I play the footsteps, so is the reverb. Let's get into a quick sword fight. All right, let's take that sword fight back outside. Alright, we've defeated the enemy. It's time to heal. Maybe a little more. Let's go back into the cave. explore some things we missed. Maybe pick up something else. And another heal. So that's about it for this session. If you'd like to see how I've created all of those events, how I put the footsteps into spaces, how I make sure that they change based on the surface they're on, and really just the core of what it looks like to put together sound design for a game, let me know in the comments, leave a like, shoot me a message, shoot me an email, and I can make a video on any of that stuff. That's all I wanted to show today. If you happen to be the Chrono Sword team watching this and you're in need of audio production services for Chrono Sword to make it happen, like, by all means, give us a shout. Above all, I hope that this game works out really well, and I'm glad it gave me the inspiration and opportunity to create a little sound design session that I could share on the channel. So, till next time, thanks.